If you're looking to cut the cord on cable, it's hard to beat YouTube TV for a live TV replacement. At $49 per month, it's one of the cheapest live TV offerings online today, with a ton of your favorite channels and some incredible features, including Cloud DVR. It's an impressive service, to be sure, but if you're based outside the United States, or you live in markets where YouTube TV isn't offered, you'll have to utilize a couple of workarounds if you'd like to start using YouTube TV. Thankfully, like most other online video services, YouTube TV can still be accessed online if you're willing to use a VPN. By redirecting your network traffic through a server in the United States, you can get back to watching your favorite shows live as they air. You'll need to start by picking a VPN service provider. Go for one that regularly updates its servers, since this ensures that even if a block of IPs gets blacklisted by the streaming service, you'll be able to always access it. We recommend ExpressVPN thanks to its reputation of working great with strict no VPN services like Netflix, but basically any well-regarded VPN should do the trick. You'll also need to make sure that the VPN service you choose has a server in at least one of the cities where YouTube TV is offered. Use the zip code tool on YouTube TV's website, linked in the description below, to find out all of the cities where YouTube TV is currently available. If you're struggling on where to look in the US, try a major city like New York or Los Angeles. Once you've subscribed to your VPN of choice, connect to a major metro server, then sign up for YouTube TV. Remember that you may need to use an approved US-based payment option to sign up. Some streamers have noted that YouTube TV doesn't play well with dedicated VPN apps, but if your VPN has a Chrome browser extension, grab it from the Chrome Web Store and sign in with your account. Many have noted that the extensions work better than dedicated apps. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering YouTube TV and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.